Time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we're going to begin in Parsons with Adley Dixon, celebrating birthday number 5. Happy birthday, Adley.
And over in Reeds, Missouri, Savannah Cole turns 6. Happy birthday, Savannah.
And then got a very special birthday here for Colt White, turning 10. Colt is my stepson. He is no longer my little buddy. He's becoming my big buddy, growing up way, way too fast. I'm telling you, they've got to slow down. I can't keep up anymore. Well, very, very happy birthday to you, Colt.
Yes, happy birthday, Colt. And happy birthday to Oakley Slaughter, who's turning 12 over in Webb City, Missouri.
And we've got Patricia Hall in Pittsburgh. She's the lady on the left, celebrating birthday number 73 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday.
And over in Erie, Kansas, happy 80th birthday to Linda Noakes. You have a message from Jim and Lois Carlson saying happiest of birthdays.
All right, that list, what is going on? It's like every time we ask for it to be longer, it gets shorter. Caitlin, we don't want it to be short. How can they help us make it longer?
All right, so be sure to submit your birthdays and anniversaries with pictures and any messages you want to send to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
We are urging you to do so. We will come to your house if we have to get those birthdays and anniversaries. We also want you to head over to our website, take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get special deals from local businesses, and you get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So sign up for that KOAM Birthday Club today.